Hi, I'm Rachel Huxley. Do you want salon-styled results at home every single time? Obviously, the first step is about choosing the correct shampoo, conditioner, and treatment for your hair type. Step 2 is making sure that you're using lukewarm water. You just want to open up that cuticle layer just enough to allow your shampoo to deeply cleanse the hair, so not dehydrate the hair with hot water. Once you've got that shampoo poured into your hands, I want you to put your hands together and I want you to just lightly cover both of your hands with your shampoo. And then I want you to drag your hands onto your scalp all over. And then I want you to use the tips of your fingers and I want you to lightly start removing, just gently, all of the buildup of products and oils in the hair. Shampooing and conditioning your hair sets the foundations of a great hairstyle. Yep, double shampooing is definitely a thing. So don't thoroughly rinse the first shampoo out because you're going to go in with a second one. The first one removes all of the excess oils. The second one leaves your scalp feeling fresh and clean. The second shampoo, you remove all of the residue out of your hair. Make sure that you're pulling your hair sideways. Make sure you're separating all of the hair. So you're removing the shampoo from your scalp and you're getting it out of your mid-lengths and ends. And even further more to the point, when you're using your conditioner or your treatment, leave no residue of either of those behind, because if you leave a residue of your treatment or your conditioner, your hair will just, no matter what you do, no matter what styling product I should say, your hair will be lifeless and flat. Another tip, prior to applying your conditioner, pull your hair and wring out all of the excess water, because the excess water dilutes your conditioner. Therefore, you've got a handful of conditioner instead of the size of a 10-cent piece, because your hair's waterlogged. Then pop your conditioner in your hand once you've wrung out the excess water. Pop the conditioner on both hands and use your fingers as a comb and gently push all of that conditioner into your mid-lengths and ends. Before rinsing it out, get a Tangle Teezer, the brush. The bristles are so compact that they help removing any tangles and helping push the product into the hair rather than just sitting on the outside of the cuticle layer. I want you to leave your conditioner on for a couple of minutes before rinsing out with cool water to help close that cuticle back down and lock in all of that goodness that you've just done. If you follow these steps, your blow dry, your styling technique will last longer, day and night. Don't forget to hit like, follow, and that bell to subscribe for more pro hair tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.